This video tutorial I will explain how to schedule a task repeatedly after a specific delay using schedule at fixed rate method of timer class. Here I have defined the class cleanup timer task, which extends timer task class and provide implementation of run method. Here I have defined the class timer demo. Here I have created cleanup timer task object. Then I have created timer object. Then I am calling schedule at fixed rate method of timer object and passing the task to be executed and the initial delay and the period. So this task will be executed after 5000 milliseconds, and after that every 2000 milliseconds this task will be keep on executing. I am running this program. And here you can see the task is keep on executing. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.